Today I am reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM5 premium noise canceling headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that deliver best-in-class noise cancellation, rich sound quality, and exceptional comfort, the Sony WH-1000XM5 stand out as one of the absolute best options available today. Sony has a long reputation for dominating the premium headphone market, and with the XM5, they've taken everything they've learned from previous generations and pushed it even further. These headphones are designed for people who want a completely immersive audio experience, whether it's music, movies, podcasts, or calls, and they do an excellent job in every category. Let's start with the main highlight, noise cancellation. The XM5 uses two processors that control 8 microphones, and the difference is immediately noticeable the moment you put them on. The headphones almost create a vacuum-like silence, making even loud environments feel calm and quiet. Whether you're on a busy street, commuting on a noisy bus, or working in a cafe, the XM5 adapts in real time thanks to the Auto NC Optimizer, which automatically adjusts noise cancellation based on your environment, something you won't find on many other headphones. Sony's noise-canceling technology is so good that it feels like you've stepped into your own personal soundproof booth. Next, let's talk about hands-free calling, and this is an area where these headphones shine even more. Sony has included 4 beamforming microphones, combined with advanced audio signal processing, that make your voice sound cleaner, clearer, and more natural. In noisy surroundings, the XM5 still isolates your voice incredibly well, removing background sounds like wind, chatter, or traffic. Whether you're taking business calls on the go, joining Zoom meetings, or just chatting with friends, the calling performance here truly feels premium and reliable. Battery life is another strong point. The XM5 offers up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, which is more than enough for several days of use. For travelers or heavy listeners, this is a huge advantage. And if you ever find yourself low on battery, Sony's quick charging gives you 3 hours of playback from just a 3-minute charge. That is extremely convenient, especially when you don't have much time. The included USB-C cable makes the charging experience simple and fast. Now let's go over comfort and design. Sony has redesigned the headband and ear cups with a lighter, more refined shape. The soft-fit leather feels incredibly gentle on the skin, and the headphones sit on your head with almost no pressure. Even during long listening sessions, whether it's during work, gaming, or long flights, they remain comfortable and easy to wear. The XM5 is the kind of headphone you almost forget you're wearing because of how lightweight and well-balanced it is. It's stylish, modern, and very premium-looking, especially in the black color variant. Sound quality is excellent as expected. Sony delivers deep bass, rich mid-range, and clean highs, creating a balanced and enjoyable sound profile that fits almost any music genre. Whether you're listening to vocals, EDM, classical, or hip-hop, everything sounds dynamic and detailed. Combined with the noise cancellation, the sound becomes even more immersive, pulling you deeper into the audio. A key feature many users love is the touch controls on the ear cup. With just a swipe or tap, you can adjust the volume, skip tracks, pause and play your music, or take calls. It's intuitive, simple, and responsive. There's also support for voice assistants, including Alexa, making it easy to control your music or ask for information without needing your phone. Overall, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is one of the most complete and polished premium headphones available today. You get industry-leading noise cancellation, outstanding call quality, long battery life, excellent comfort, touch controls, and a stylish design that matches its premium performance. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a student, a professional, or just someone who loves high-quality audio, the XM5 delivers an experience that truly feels top-tier. If you're searching for a pair of headphones that can handle every situation, work, travel, entertainment, and daily use, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is a fantastic investment that will keep you satisfied for a long time.